Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So guys, the price of Bitcoin is currently moving up, right? The price of Bitcoin has been performing very well in the 1 day time frame. So if we measure the price increase from this low, which you actually have here, right, up to this top, which we actually seen, Bitcoin have actually seen up to 10,000 additional price increase, giving it 18% increase in price. Bitcoin have currently increased by 18% plus right now. So we're actually trading around this area. We actually made about, if you guys currently recall, we actually talk about this analysis, right? Then price was actually trading around this area, right? Price was actually trading around this area, and I made here that we are likely going to actually sustain around this region, right, to find support at this area, right, because we are actually having open and close here where the price actually rocket above, right? So we found support here. This is what I was actually saying. Then we were actually trading here. I actually made this analysis that we're actually going to do like this, right? So that we're actually going to find support back to the upside, right? And exactly guys, that is how it currently plays out. We're actually seeing it. We found support at this area, right? And right now we push all the way back up, right? Our main target for this is currently 67,000 and above, right? So the target is 67,000 for the price of Bitcoin and above. But there's something that makes me want to actually look at this, right? So first of all, I'll be talking about level, right? And another thing we need to actually pay attention here, right? So the next thing we need to actually look at here is Bitcoin is currently creating a W pattern. So what do I mean, right? So as I actually told you guys that if Bitcoin should actually increase, you're actually going to see majority of coins explode, right? Is that right? Is that reality playing out? Yes, we can currently see that it is currently playing out. If you see majority of the coins right now in the market, oops, bro, it's currently up, right? So another thing I want to talk about here is Bitcoin currently creating, should I say this is a W pattern, right? This is a W pattern, right? We are currently seeing in the price of Bitcoin, right? So if you are creating a W pattern just like this, right, how do we measure this W pattern, right? If we are measuring this W pattern, right, we are going to actually take from this top, which we actually see here, right, to this low of this wedge, right? And we want to measure it, right? If we measure that from the breakout, right, that breakout should target at 72,000. So that breakout have $72,000 target. We can actually see it here, right, from the W pattern, right? So we have already break that pattern. We can actually see, right, and the next we want to actually see 72,000 being smashed, right? So this is what we are currently looking at, right? Another thing I want to talk here is about levels. Let's actually discuss about levels in the daily time frame. So we have actually talked about the first target, which is 72,000, and I want to talk about levels right now, guys. So this is very, very important. So watch from the beginning until the end, right? It is very, very important so that you don't miss out. So what are the levels we need to actually look at in the price of Bitcoin, right? So first of all, if you look at the daily time frame, so this is the daily time frame chart I'm actually using. So for a moment in time, this level has actually provided support. Also, this level which we actually see here have also provided support. So these are two important levels that the price of Bitcoin is currently reacting at right now, right? And we can actually see here that obviously the price of Bitcoin is currently reacting at this level, and if we measure it here, you can actually see here, right? And this is going to be another level where the market can actually find support, right? So there are actually two things, right? Let me actually mark it out. So we need to actually look at this level. Let me actually look at, okay, we need to actually look at this level. So from this high, which you actually get from this level, which is also from here, coming back here, right, we're actually going to find out that the price of Bitcoin is currently holding at that area, right? So we can actually see it with our two eyes that the price of Bitcoin is actually holding at that area, right? You can actually see it here. The price of Bitcoin is actually holding at that level, which this level actually recently reacted, right? We can actually see it here, right? So this is a very important level, right? So if we break above this level, it's going to be bullish, right, for us to actually come back to this high, which I'll be mentioning right now. So guys, pay attention very, very well. This is a very important video, right? Pay attention. Now, if we actually successfully break above that, this, right, start pushing up to the higher levels, then the level I want to look at is this second level, which is over here, which is holding at the area of 70,000 to 68,000. So this is another important level. Let me actually mark it out so that you guys can actually look at this level very well. So if we mark from this top, right, coming back to this low, right, this is the level, right, this is where it reacted at, right. So if we actually find a breakout, of this level, right, guys, pay attention very well. If we get that breakout, right, if we break out from here, the next level we'll be looking at is coming to this level, right. So this is a very important level. So guys, watch out for this level, right, as we are going to actually approach more days, right. So guys, I'm going to see my video. Make sure to like, make sure to share. I'm going to see you guys. Peace out.